That is what is in some of these gyms that have been outside, that you would have just brought that into your home. Well, 7:20 AM, I got up at 6 because I had to be here on time. It only took 10 minutes to get this stuff. It comes with the barbell and it comes with dumbbells, but the best part is it comes with a ton of weights. I asked him last night, do you mind if I could take it apart? Ghosted us for like 20 minutes and I was like, oh no, I shouldn't have said that. I should have just showed up with my tools. He gets back to me and he goes, I've taken it apart for you, it's ready to go. Whoa! Oh, dude! What a dude! I probably would have tipped him like a good 15-20 bucks for that, but I actually need that profit. The amount of work I put into refurbishing these and then the profit that I make, it's decent, but every dollar counts. Look how much water has filled up my bucket of weights. And stand in front of the heater and you're still cold. It's not meant to be cold here. So it's been monsoon raining, it's flooded. But La Nina, and now we have Nino. It's La Nina's big brother. So you've got to get that out of there. I mean, I can't think anyway. I can't blame it on the cold. Trying to look at the time here. It's the 25th, and we got to the 31st to get as much done as possible. I have moved the car. Instead of parking in the workshop, taking up valuable real estate, I parked outside. So I forget what I was going to do. I think I need to go drink my coffee. These weights need to be derusted. So that's all the weights. So many options, I get overwhelmed and then I'm like, oh, forget all of that. Let's just drink juice. I've done a lot this morning. Oh my goodness. I've emptied the second tent, the one that didn't flood. Taken photos, cleaned things. This is what it looked like before. This is after. Probably did this one the best. Probably drilled this one the most thorough. And this one's smooth. I'm thinking I should put 2 weight benches together right now. This blue one and the one that came in the $150 pack, which is in the tiny tent, and I'm sure it's got water from flooding and probably got mold. Okay, so I need to prioritize. I really want to get to these bikes to hurry up and do these 2 weight benches so that I can get to the bikes. I never thought I'd come this far. Like, I have aspirations and like attempt, but I never really believed. Because in the stages of prepping, you know, anything could happen. So I'm like all optimistic, and then as soon as it's go time, it's crunch time, we've got all the stuff we now have to do our plan. That's when I start to second guess. So let's go have a look at what we've done. brought that out and tipped it up vertically. I'm going to show you what fell out of it, and there's still more inside it. Looks like cocoons.
Oh, yeah, they're you're right, there's some kind of cocoon.
Oh, it looks disgusting.
Yeah.
It's been living in the gym. I'm trying to put it together, so I don't really remember what it looked like. So just from this one photo, no other angles, I'm going to put this together. This is the photo. That's what it looked like before. Woof. Now you have to hold this pole and not crush your fingers. Well, let's put this other bar on. This bar is the bar that has these black things that move. Now make sure when you do this, you make as much noise as possible. Sippy cup things that go like this, no matter how many tools in the world you get, none of them fit the gym equipment that you are trying to do. Back to the spanner. Oh, this is hard when you're filming. Use your head. Always use your head. This is the part you realise lost all the bolts. You don't know what kind of bolt you're supposed to have. And you just borrow on some from some other gym. So you just shove any old bolt in there. I've gone and lent it on its foot. Now you have done the entire back wall. It's helping itself out. Isn't that fantastic? And it won't fall over because those feet are huge. So I'm pretty sure everything I just did was wrong. It's Saturday, the 27th. We have 5 days, including today, to get all the stuff I've collected over this month, over sports months, ready to go. So the first 3 weeks of the month, I was just collecting stuff and organising stuff. And I even landscaped the backyard. Oh, last week I was feeling like, man, am I ever going to accomplish anything? Because all I do is just push things around the garage and then bring more stuff home. But as soon as I started like priming, derusting, sanding, painting, it just like takes off. It's just very quick. It's just boom, 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 boom. My goal is to get it all done before the end of the month and then sell it all in June. 5 days left, or 4 days left to go. Than I thought. Okay, I gotta go pick up the balloons. I'm nervous to take a few YouTube videos on how you dismantle bike flooring. They look great. This is why normal people would not come and get one of these. It's always recommended to never do this. They might think they will. Don't do what Donnie Don't does.